Hey y'all, Sarah here at Fab Nails and welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. Today we're going to be doing a couple of different Valentine's Day nail designs. Let's jump into it. Okay y'all, so this is what I'm starting off with. I'm going to be doing a traditional red Valentine's Day nail set here. Doing some stamping, some glitter, and then on this middle one we're going to do some charms, and this one's going to be stamping, glitter, all that good stuff. The red background I'm using is Red 101 from Young Nails. The glitter nail is just this really pretty red, and it is called Prince Philip from Glitter Lambs. I'm using Flex Gel from Young Nails due to the encapsulation. I'm using these really pretty heart charms on the middle nail. I either got these from Shein or Temu. I'll have it linked down below for you. The stamping plate I'm using is this one from Clear Jelly Stamper, and it is CJS V11. I'll be using my Ugly Duckling gel brush, my ombre brush. I have a pair of tweezers for the charms, just a regular pair of tweezers. And then, you guessed it, the jewelry gel from Daily Charm. And then I'm using the Big Bling from Clear Jelly Stamper. Okay, we're gonna start with encapsulation of the glitter nail using the Flex Gel Hard Gel. Put this in the light and cure it for 60 seconds. Okay, we're all cured. Now we're going to encapsulate. I'm going to put this in the light for 60 seconds. Okay, we are all cured, and now we're going to cleanse, and then we're going to file and shape it. Filed. And there we have our pretty glitter. Okay, we're going to move on to stamping now. And I'm just going to do this full coverage one down here like I did on the other nail. I'm going to be doing this full coverage one and the two different colors. And then I have this reddish purpley one, and it's number 189. And then this nice pink, number 86. And then I have my black, which is number 1. Make sure you have a clean plate before you start stamping. this and not do the outline, or do the outline. I'm going to do the outline to match the other one. For the charms, I'm gonna keep my background matte just so more attention is on the charms. I'm not gonna use all of these, but I will use some of them. So what I'm going to do is there's different sizes in here. So I'm gonna do like a big one and then a couple of little ones. They're all different iridescent colors, which I like. You still get that iridescent when it moves, which is really pretty. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do a bunch of hearts on here. That's what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna put this in the light and let it cure for 60 seconds. Here we are with our cured hearts. Those are not gonna go anywhere. I'm gonna go ahead and put a top coat on these two, and then I'll come back and show you the finished result. All right, y'all, this is the final set of these Valentine's Day nails. Really pretty. I love the hearts in the middle with the matte background. Let's move on to the next design. Okay, so for this next design is going to be for people that are not big Valentine's celebrators, I guess you could say. So I did black here, and then I have glitter on these three, and then I have these derpy gold hearts that I'm gonna put on the plain black nails. I thought these were very anti-Valentine's, so we're gonna do that. For the background color, I used Look Don't Touch. It's a black by Young Nails. And then the glitter that you see on these ones, and it is Black Rainbow 101 from Young Nails as well. And these all have top coat on them. I'm going to be using the Stay Put Jewelry Gel from Daily Charm on this, and then some tweezers. So I'm just going to put these hearts on these nails. Really simple, easy design. If you know somebody that isn't a big Valentine's Day person or doesn't really celebrate it that much, then this design is for them. So I'm going to try and put the Stay Put jewelry gel. It's not going to focus. There we go. On the outside, just a little bit. I don't need a ton. So if you can see that I put it on the bottom and on these two little drippies and then a little bit on the top, just so it would hold onto the nail. So I'm going to be very careful and try and flip this over. These are really big charms, so just trying to get it centered. And there we go. Let's do the other one, and then I'll cure these for 60 seconds in the light, and then I'll come back and show you what the finished result is. In the light for 60 seconds. All right, here's the finished set of the Anti-Valentine's Day nails. Let me know in the comments if you celebrate Valentine's Day or not. So this was the black set, and then we have the red set. I love both of them, and I hope you guys do too, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you all so much for joining me today in my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please give me a thumbs up and a subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video, and I hope you're having the best day ever. Bye!